What up, chess players and my friends? In this position, white has 2 knights and black's got 3 pawns, so it looks like one of those games that we're either going to lose, or maybe try to sacrifice both knights to take all the pawns and get a draw. However, there is a forced checkmate sequence defined for the white player. This is quite challenging, but learning how to maneuver the knight is one of the most important skills you can develop in the endgame. Pause the video now, write down your sequence of winning moves for the white player in the comment section and come back for the solution in 3, 2, 1... Alright everyone, well done for realizing that the solution is, first of all, knight to f5. Hehe. The knight in h3 is protecting f2, this king can only move to f1. Or black can maybe push one of these 2 pawns. Let's look at them. If king to f1, now you give another check. The knights are controlling everything, the king is forced to go to e1, and now it's all about Zugzwang. King to c2. Black cannot play any move except pawn to f2. And now, king to c1. Hehe. Black is once again forced to play one and only move. Whatever black does, let's say promoting to a queen or anything else, knight to c2 is checkmate. Fine then, let's go back to this position. What about black playing pawn to e3? Yes, you do take this pawn, but now you can argue that black can play f2. And now we don't have the king c2 move because we will be depriving the knight from the possibility to jump to c2. What's happening here? Knight to f4. The knight is targeting d3, so if black promotes, let's say, into a queen or whatever, knight to d3 is checkmate. And last but not least, in this position, what if black had chosen the move f2? Well, knight to e3 can simply happen, landing soon in c2, checkmate is unstoppable.